Township Entrepreneur Stories is a web series proudly brought to you by T. We profile small businesses nationwide that are providing services and products ekas.
My name is Koketso Mataboge and I'm from the company named Keorapetse Matabs Pty Ltd. My business, what it does, it manufactures daily healthy drinks that helps with the immunity of the people and also helps with the radiance of the skin. It also improves eyesight and also reduces the risk of cancer. What makes my business unique is that it is very convenient to the people. You don't have to go to your local pharmacies to get what can cure colds and flus, but it's easy to be consumed as you just keep refrigerated, shake, and just drink the product. I only provide 2 healthy drinks, which is carrot and turmeric drink, and also pumpkin drink. You can buy my products on my website. Is www.smoothiejuice.co.za. You can contact me. I'm available on Facebook, Koketso Mataboge, Instagram, Mataboge603, TikTok, I'm Koketso Mataboge. Hi, my name is Koketso Mataboge and I'm a township entrepreneur.